The LG V20 user, and today I'm doing a video on the Motororla for Verizon. So this is the affordable Motororla. So this phone is currently available for pre-order as of this video recording. So when you guys see this video, it will have pre-order on there. But when you guys see this video, this phone should be available for you guys to purchase if you guys need to end this phone. So like I said, this is the Motororla 2019 version. This is the affordable phone, all screen, all smartphone here. So that's cool if you guys want to have some nostalgia with this one. This one will have it. This one has the razor design from back in the day. Except for this is all screen, of course, you guys know. So that's the phone there in front of you. It's really nice phone. I think Motorola did a great job with this phone here. It's available in the white color. It's like a glossy color, whatnot. So not too bad. It's available in 128 gigabytes of storage. It's $62.49 a month for 24 months, or $14.99.99 for retail price. So for $1,500, this one can be yours outright. So yeah. So there's a phone right there. So it says experience the iconic flip phone, totally reinvented. The Motorola Razr chooses the familiar pocket very flip design with the style and intelligence of the modern smartphone. Shattering the status quo in the ultra-compact water-repellent Razr opens to a full-size touchscreen, and the exterior interactive display keeps you connected so you can stay in touch in a moment. The Razr has revolutionized flip phone with all the latest tech and few new tricks. Capture your next great creation with the 16 megapixel AI enabled smart camera and 4K video, or use one of many exclusive Moto actions to make everyday interactions on your phone even easier. Get the most out of it with Verizon, the network more people rely on. So this is really cool. So this one is an exclusive to Verizon. So let's check the Motororla. So there's a lot of pictures actually. Yeah, so the fingerprint sensor right here. Right at the bottom there. You have volume keys right here. If you guys can see that, you have a notch up here where the front-facing camera, where the front-facing camera is in your earpiece. There's the side there. There's the hinge right here. Volume keys, and that's your power key right here, I think. Or no, then this is volume key in your power keys right here, I think. So pretty nice. There it is on the right side of the phone. The camera just took it down. Camera just took it down just a bit there. So yeah. Here's the back of it there. Here it is in the back. You got the back of the phone with the little logo on the back. There's your external display, and your camera and your flash right there. So pretty nice. And what's that speaker? What's that a microphone right there? That's I'm not sure. There it is again. There it is. Cause you guys have shortcuts to you can check out the notifications from here, and you can reply to them from here as well. So you guys have the signal, battery, and thing there. So it's pretty cool. There it is again. There it is with it being closed. You have Razr right down there. Nice logo. There it is again. This one looks very nice, guys. I mean, it looks very nice. It looks like the original Razr, but this one is fucking nice as well. So nice phone right there, you guys can see. This is what it looks like. What the fuck is this? I'm not sure what this is supposed to do here. I'm not sure what this is right here. Probably a speaker or something. Not really sure. They're charging for like the third, I guess. I don't know. It's kind of hard to tell, but there you guys have it. A lot of places always found here. If you guys want to check them out. So I'll get right ahead. So the Motororla has 40 hours of usage time, 26.5 minutes standby time, 16 megapixel camera, 2.8 inches in width, and 6.77 inches in height. That is with the phone open, of course. If you guys have the phone closed, it'll be a lot smaller than that. So it says here, not your mom's flip phone. I would say this is not a flip phone. This is a smartphone. Of course, I always know that. The Razr may have the familiar compact design of a classic flip phone, but just flip it open to reveal a full-size, flexible touchscreen with a cinematic grade display and innovative hinge design ensures both sides are perfectly flushed when closed, protecting the display and maintaining an even thinner and more compact profile. Right? So that's the phone right there being open. Y'all guys can watch videos and do whatever you guys want. So y'all guys get cinematic viewing on this phone. Y'all guys have cinematic flex view viewing, flex view display. Flip open the Razr to reveal a full-size 6.2 inch OLED cinematic flex view display with a zero gap hinge when closed. A stunning edge-to-edge high-definition display uses the same ultra-wide dimensions as the film industry, so you get a truly cinematic experience in the palm of your hand. Quick view display. That's what this little display here is. Right here, that's your quick view display. It's really cool. So take advantage of that. Says here, stay in the moment with Razr's touch enable quick view display. Check notifications, make mobile payments, or snap a quick selfie without having to open your device. So you can take selfies with that camera, so you'll get better selfies with it being closed. So you can take selfies in video. So that's really cool. And if something needs a bit more attention, simply flip open the quick view display seamlessly transitions to the larger internal screen. Alright. So you can do quite a few things with that quick view display. So pretty cool, right? Shoot like a pro. Tell your story with the 16 megapixel camera. The Razr camera with night vision mode and built-in AI captures professional quality photos even in dark environments. Make your photos stand out. Make your photos come alive with active photos, or switch to manual and access same settings you would find on a professional DSLR. The Razr intelligent camera captures multiple shots and recommends the best picture to keep, so you can get the best photos every time. More modes, better pics. Bring photos to life with cinematograph mode. We'll get everyone in the action using the group selfie mode. With more modes to choose from, you can capture, edit, and create stunning, show-worthy photos. Step up your Instagram game with slow motion video mode or time-lapse video acceleration. Add an accent color to your black and white pics using spot color mode, or replace the background with anything in your Google Photos library using cutout mode. More modes, more fun, better pictures. So that is a win, right? So this camera on this one has a lot of modes on it, so check it out. Beautiful photos even in low light conditions. Challenging lighting conditions need not to be a challenge with night vision mode. The Razr takes vivid photos with stunning clarity by combining 8 frames, varying exposures. Don't leave your subject in the shadows. Night vision mode. Night vision mode lets you take bright photos with accurate colors after the sun has set. Alright. This is one smart camera. Like I said, there's a lot of features in this camera. I don't know how good the camera is personally because I never tried this one out before, so I don't know how good this camera is in real life or anything like that. So you would have to test it out for yourself and see for yourself. Alright. It says with Razr built AI, with Razr's built-in AI, you can get professional grade photos enhancements automatically, whether by recognizing if everyone is smiling in a group chat or automatically improving photo composition. AI-enabled features work to refine and enhance every shot you take. AI-based features like intuitive portrait lighting, shot optimization, smart composition, and auto smile capture helps fine-tune all of your photos to perfection. Alright. All-day battery life, so pretty cool. So go all day on a single charge with up to 24 hours of battery life. The Razr gets you through a busy day without worrying about low battery. And if you do need to fill up, turbo power, usually hours of power in just minutes of charging. So this does have fast charge on it. So this uses the turbo power charging method there. So pretty nice. Your active Razr reacts. Alright. So simple gestures like a flick of the wrist make everyday interactions with Razr fast, convenient, and intuitive. Unlock your phone with facial recognition. Tap twice to turn on the flashlight, or touch the screen with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. The Razr is full of smart features that makes it easy to navigate. So this does have Moto actions, the Moto experiences, and all that on here. The Moto, the gestures like the chop, the twist the wrist, and all that. So that's on here. So that's not new. This does have finger facial recognition and fingerprint sensor, so you can use both. That's pretty cool. Processor and storage. Save all your pics, apps, and games with ease. With 128 gigabytes of storage backed by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 processor, you won't have to worry about lag, time, or running out of storage space. Alright. So you have a Snapdragon 710 processor, so not too bad, I guess. You know, it's not a flagship processor, but it's just don't get the job done. Alright. So let's go check out the specs in this one. You guys know what the specs are. The Moto Razr has 4G LTE Advanced. This is not a 5G phone, not yet anyway. Maybe they'll make a 5G Moto Razr, who knows? But this one is 4G only, so do keep it in mind. So you have LTE Advanced with 50% faster peak speeds and more than 456 from coast to coast. It's a rural device which works in over 200 countries depending on what plan you have. 40 hours of talk, 40 hours of usage time, 26.5 days of standby time, a 16 megapixel camera on the rear, and a 5 megapixel front-facing camera, I think. The weight of the phone is 7.2 ounces, so it's a bit hefty, but not too bad. The height, the width of the phone, 2.8 inches. The height is 6.77 inches. The depth is 0.55 inches. That is with the phone open. Okay, guys. Your screen there, you have a main flat rate display. It's a OLED panel. It's a 6.2 inch foldable display. It's 2142 by 876 pixels. It's 21 by 9 ratio cinematic cinema vision display there. 6.2 inches is OLED. That's a Quad HD. That's a no, that's not. That's a HD display. That's a 2142 by 876 pixels body rear resolution. And then you have the quick view display, which is the external display outside the phone. That is 2.7 inches. That is OLED as well. It's 600 by 800 pixels. That's 4:3 aspect ratio there. It has a 2510 milliamp battery. With the battery is not removable. It has Android 9.8 Pie. External storage 128 gigs. There is no memory card slot, so that's all you get. So you might want to use Google Photos and stuff like that for your photos and stuff like that. Your networks is there. Your Wi-Fi is 802.11 ABG and AC dual band Wi-Fi, and Wi-Fi hotspot, of course. You also have HC voice, which lets you experience HC voice and simultaneous voice and data. Enable Wi-Fi calling and make calls anywhere you have a Wi-Fi connection. And if you guys need help with your Motorola, Verizon is here to help you out with that with device support. So check it out if you guys need to learn how to set up Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, email, and stuff like that. That's always a great tool to have. So and what you guys get in the box, you guys get the Motororla itself. You guys get the Razr earbuds, which are really nice. Accessories case, 15-watt turbo power charger, USB-C cable, headset adapter cable, user guides and stuff like that. So that's pretty cool. There is no SIM card slot on this one. I think it uses eSIM for that, so you will need that. There is no SIM card slot, so it uses an eSIM to use the phone, so you keep it in mind. So that's a new one. So yeah, guys, you guys have the Motorola 2019 version is currently on pre-order as of this video recording. But when this video goes live, it should be available for you guys to purchase. If you guys click down here, it says delivered by March 3rd, 2020. So this phone should be. So if you guys pre-order the phone before then, you guys will get the phone starting March 3rd, 2020. I don't know if that's the release date or not. I will have to figure that out. So when this video is when you guys see this video, it should be available. It should be available for you guys to purchase. So I don't know when the release date is. I keep hearing February 6th and shit like that. So I don't know. So we'll see. So there you guys have it. The Motororla, the affordable Motororla is here at Verizon. So it's currently available for pre-order. Yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys will bless me a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.